All right. Hello, boys and girls. We're going to go ahead and get our reading and grammar notebook out and grab your packet, your envelope with all of your pieces of paper in there, and I will get our camera started. Oh, I've got all kinds of things open here. Oh, goodness. More time for you to get your things out. You'll also need glue and scissors. All right. So we're going to be doing a little bit of work on our adjectives in our reading and grammar notebook. So if you'll grab your envelope, and let's find your packet of things for interactive notebooks. Okay, so it should be like a purpley color. We're going to tear off just the adjectives, and then make sure you put the rest of your papers back in your envelope so that you know right where they are. All right, so on this paper, we're going to be circling the adjectives and underlining the noun that the adjectives describe. Then under the flap, we're going to write a sentence with different adjectives to describe the same noun. So example, the puppy is black and white. So this one says, your puppy is so small and cute. And then underneath it, they wrote, the puppy is black and white. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, back that up a little bit, grab your scissors and let's cut out our page. All right, we can throw these away. And then we're going to cut the little windows or the little doors. You're going to go right here underneath the sentence and stop. Go to that one. Stop. Stop. Okay, so that you have these three little doors, okay? All right, now we're going to go into our grammar. And we did our adjectives describing how many, what they look like, feel like, sound like, taste like. We have that. So on this side, we're going to glue our paper. Okay, so a little glue here. And then going down, up. All right, it's like a big L, upside down L. Okay, line that up at the top. And then you can come down the side. And then these all open, so fold them back. All right. Then let's put our glue away. Roll it down so we don't pinch it with the lid and snap that on. All right, and then you're going to grab a pen, okay, or a pencil. Adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So it's asking us on this side, or it's telling us, adjectives tell us how many, what kind, what color, what does it sound like, look like, and taste like. All right, so the first one, your puppy is so small and cute. What words describe the puppy? We're going to circle small. It's a small puppy. That's what kind. And what it looks like, it's cute. Okay, so circling your adjectives. And then we're going to underline the noun because it's talking about the puppy. Underneath, we're going to make up our own sentence. Okay, so make sure you have your noun underlined, puppy, and we have two adjectives, small and cute. So underneath here, we're going to write about the puppy, and we're going to use two more adjectives. Okay, I'm going to say You can do your own sentence too, or you can copy mine. Your puppy has black spots and a long tail. Okay, so what does my puppy look like? It has black spots. That's my puppy. And it has a long tail. The tail is what we're describing. The tail is long. All of it belongs to the puppy, but it's its own noun right there. Right, pause if you need to. Pause the video if you need to get that copied down. Okay. And then we're going to go to the next one. Mom bought a dozen chocolate donuts. Okay. So what kind of donuts did she buy? She bought chocolate. How many did she buy? She bought a dozen. Mom bought a dozen chocolate donuts. The dozen and the chocolate describe Mom or the donuts? It describes the donuts. That would be a lot of moms. And maybe chocolatey. Okay. Mom bought a dozen chocolate donuts. Okay. What other sentence can we add in here? There were two. Oh. Miss Martinez. Cross that off. Two. We don't put numbers in there. Two maple donuts and 4 sprinkle donuts. Now you can do your own sentence, but you can also copy mine if you'd like to. So how many maple donuts were? There were 2. And what kind were they? They were maple. And what are we talking about? Donuts. 2 donuts that were maple. There were 4 donuts that were sprinkled. Okay. So you can go ahead and copy that down if you'd like to, or if you have your own, you can do that one. All right, so push pause if you need to. If not, we're going to go to the last one. I cannot play until I clean my messy bedroom. Okay. I'm looking for the descriptions of the noun. So, whose bedroom? My bedroom. What kind of bedroom? A messy. Or what does it look like? It's messy. And bedroom is our noun that we're describing. Okay. Underneath here, we're going to write about it. Now, my bedroom is organized and clean. Okay. So we're still talking about the bedroom. That's still our noun. Whose bedroom? Mine. What does it look like? Organized and clean. So I have 3 in there. Right. So again, here's what the front looks like. Puppies. What kind of puppies? Small and cute. Donuts. What kind of dozen and chocolate? And bedroom. What kind of bedroom? Messy. Whose bedroom? Mine. Okay. And then we wrote our sentences underneath. All right. That is all we have for grammar today. So you can go ahead and put this away. And then all you have left is your Spelling City. Continue to do your Spelling City activities. Get out here, come back. And we will be having our read aloud you can do. And also we're going to start adding in our character traits reading. So that we will start doing as well. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video, and make sure you do every video with me, and make sure that you're checking your daily agenda so that you know that you've gotten everything done. And then don't forget, there is always a reading question of the day that you'll need to answer. Those are reading and a math one each day. So make sure that you answer those so that I can give you credit for being at school. Otherwise, I have to mark people absent. So you don't want to have a bunch of absences when you actually were at home doing your schoolwork. So make sure you finish those, all right? If you have any questions, let me know.